Challenges and limitations.
So we're in a session to try to explore how people feel about science and how that's changed due to digital technologies. So we have a field of people who are experienced in public engagement, and then they are really discussing some of the major issues and challenges and opportunities that they have to open up science using digital. So we tried this format 2 years ago in Manchester at ESOF 2016, where we talked about what's the point of public engagement. It was such a successful format because normally at events like this and conferences you sit in rows of seats and you listen to the experts, but actually there's so much expertise in the room that we thought the shared tables could actually make sure that the information flow goes between the audiences rather than just going from the speakers just to the audiences. Each of the tables contains a facilitator from a science centre or a public engagement body throughout the whole of Europe.
So this is a highly interactive session, and we are using the tool Menti. Everyone's voice can be heard and seen in the same sort of velocity or amplitude, and it's instant.
A journal article if they want to, so that's really the angle that we were looking at.
So I think it was really nice to be able to have an interactive discussion. A lot of the discussions at the open forum so far have been quite one-sided. It was really nice to hear a lot of different opinions and nice to see some actual data come out of it that we can work with.
I think it was a really nice interactive session. The views from all the participants that lifted the session. It's also interesting how similar the challenges are across Europe or the world. I think the best thing about it is that it makes you participate, it makes you think, and that will make you think about it also after the session.
We have to really make people and science meet in a very effective and nice and happy way.
So it's very difficult to judge, is something trustworthy, whom we could trust, and also we need a lot of time, a lot of resources, a lot of skills. That's the difficult part. But the best part of it, you can communicate to a lot of people, different age groups, people with different educational levels, and so on and so on.
Had lots and lots of ideas generated today, and looking at both challenges and opportunities of using digital media, which is great because we'll be able to really utilise the expertise and experience in the room because there's so many people from different backgrounds. So hopefully we'll be able to utilise that, disseminate to others so they can use it to inform our future science communication and public engagement work.